Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a get ready with me. Yes, the Chun-Li chopsticks with the bun and the makeup. Yeah, you feeling it? I'm feeling it too. Let's get into this video. So now I'm finna take my dark chestnut brown color eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it to the crease of my eyelids. And I'm just going to blend, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to be picking up my caramel eyeshadow and apply it underneath my brows to give it that transitioning color. You know, everything look natural and pretty. And I'm just going to blend it in. So I will be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is what I use for my cut crease. But today we are not doing a cut crease, we are doing a soft look. That's the goal, so keep watching. So now I'm just going to be blending in my concealer with brown eyeshadow, and now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty bronze highlighter and I'm going to be applying it to where I put the concealer at, and I'm just going to tap it in, just tap it in the corners, tap it on the side, all around, you know, just to give it that soft look. Now I'm applying my black liquid liner from Sephora. So these fluffy lashes right here, yes, 25mm, I sell lashes. My Instagram is called minksnawink. If you would like to purchase some, get at me. Get into it, girl. So this is the Mercury Retrograde palette, and I am using the Haze Blue on this palette. I got this palette from Sephora. I could say it's very pigmented and it's very good. Now we trying to make our eyes not look crazy, so I'm gonna take my black eyeliner pencil and apply it to my waterline. Trust the process. Thank you. Just applying my foundation, you know, blending everything in. So I'm taking my Fenty Beauty dark chocolate cream concealer, and now we are going to contour. Yep, all on the forehead, the cheeks, the chin, the nose, everything. Now, baby, we gotta highlight that nose, okay? We gotta highlight, you know, have that nose snatched, okay? Period. Now we gotta use that trophy wife. This is my favorite part. We gotta highlight that nose, you know, the cupid's bow, the chin, the cheeks, you know, the eyebrows on fleek, lashes on fleek. Why not? Let's get into it. Baby, so you know we going for that, you know, natural look. So I'm going to take my brown pencil, you know, outline my upper lip, you know. I don't really wear lipstick because I'm not good at, you know, outlining my lip. But we're going to give it a try today. You feel me? With them Kylie Jenner lips, yes, boo. Now I'm going to take my Kylie Jenner nude. You know, rub it in. Yes, okay, give it tone. Alright. Yeah, we gotta make sure that's blending in. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back over it with my brown pencil. Because, mind you, we trying to look like a snatched Barbie, okay? Get into it. Shout out to Elegant Beauty. You know we gotta kill it with that clear gloss. You feel me? That's what make us pop. You know. Look at that. Give it some shine. Oh yeah. I mean, it looked good with the matte look too. So now y'all finna really get ready with me. Finna do these edges. Lay these edges. All right. Man, I'm smiling so hard just looking at this. I know I mudded. I killed this look, honestly. Oh my god, yes, I enjoyed doing this video and this look. I really served. Like, oh, you thought we was done? No, baby, I gotta add the beauty mark. Not one, not two, but three. Get into it. And this is the final look. I enjoyed doing this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.